Welcome to How to Generate Realistic Synthetic Data with Claude and Python. Today, you'll learn to set up and execute synthetic data generation tasks, a crucial skill for AI and ML professionals ensuring data privacy without sacrificing realism. Picture this, a world where creating datasets that mimic real-world data is not just a possibility but a reality. Welcome to our video on generating realistic synthetic data using Claude and Python. In just 15 minutes, you'll discover how to harness the power of these tools to create robust datasets that ensure privacy and integrity in AI and machine learning applications. Let's dive into the world of synthetic data and unlock new potentials for your projects.
Claude is a groundbreaking tool that brings a new dimension to synthetic data generation. It offers a suite of features designed to mimic real-world data sets with high fidelity while maintaining privacy. Claude's ability to integrate seamlessly with Python makes it a powerful ally for AI developers. By leveraging its comprehensive algorithms, you can generate data that not only looks realistic but is statistically significant for training machine learning models. Let's explore how Claude revolutionizes data generation and why it's an essential tool for your AI toolkit. To start generating synthetic data, we first need to set up our Python environment tailored for Claude. Begin by installing the necessary libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and the specific Claude API library. We'll guide you through configuring your environment to ensure everything runs smoothly. This setup is crucial as it forms the backbone of your data generation process. We'll address common setup issues and verify our environment to ensure we're ready to create realistic datasets.
Synthetic data generation is a fascinating process that involves creating artificial data that mirrors the structure and characteristics of real-world data. The principles behind it focus on balancing data realism with privacy, ensuring that generated datasets are useful without compromising sensitive information. We'll delve into different types of synthetic data, such as fully synthetic and partially synthetic data, and discuss their significance in AI and machine learning. Understanding these principles is essential for effective data generation.
Now let's get hands-on with a step-by-step guide to using Claude with Python. We'll start by writing Python scripts that utilize Claude's powerful algorithms to generate synthetic data. This guide is designed to be practical, providing you with the knowledge to create realistic datasets tailored to your specific needs. We'll walk through example projects to illustrate how synthetic data is generated and offer tips to maximize the efficiency of your workflows. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this section will equip you with actionable skills to generate synthetic data effectively.
Data privacy is paramount when generating synthetic data. In this section, we'll explore best practices to ensure that your generated datasets maintain anonymity and comply with legal standards. We'll discuss the ethical considerations of synthetic data generation, emphasizing the importance of preserving privacy without sacrificing the quality of your data. Adhering to these practices not only protects individuals' privacy but also enhances the credibility and acceptance of your AI applications. Generating synthetic data comes with its own set of challenges. In this block, we'll identify common issues such as data quality, bias, and scalability concerns. More importantly, we'll provide actionable solutions to these challenges, ensuring that your synthetic data is not only high quality but also free from bias. By understanding these challenges and how to overcome them, you can ensure that your synthetic data generation process is robust and reliable, paving the way for successful AI and machine learning projects. Integration of synthetic data into AI and ML workflows is a game changer. It allows for the development of models that are more robust and adaptable. We'll walk you through the steps to effectively integrate synthetic data into your existing workflows. We'll also explore case studies demonstrating the transformative impact of synthetic data on AI/ML projects. By the end of this block, you'll understand how synthetic data is paving the way for the future of AI, offering new possibilities and outcomes.
Synthetic data is revolutionizing industries, from healthcare to finance and beyond. In this section, we'll explore real-world applications where synthetic data is making a significant impact. Whether it's improving patient privacy in healthcare, enhancing fraud detection in finance, or training autonomous vehicles, synthetic data is at the forefront of innovation. We'll discuss how these applications are transforming industries and what future use cases might emerge as synthetic data continues to evolve.
As we wrap up this comprehensive guide on generating realistic synthetic data using Claude and Python, remember that the power of synthetic data lies in its ability to revolutionize AI applications while maintaining privacy. We encourage you to experiment with the tools and techniques discussed, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions or share your experiences in the comments below. Subscribe for more insights, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Empower your AI projects with synthetic data and unlock new potentials today.